Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play a split screen or play two videos in a split screen motion or mode in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have cut up a video in half, and I just overlaid the latter half over the first half, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play both halves or both clips simultaneously in a split screen. What you want to do is go into the edit page, then select the very top footage. Then you want to go into the effects library, click on open effects, and click and search for a video collage. Then drag that onto the top clip, and now you can set up your video collage and your split screen. Firstly, in the inspector, you can go and set up how many columns and rows you want. Let's say I want 2 rows and 1 column, and as you can see now it is vertical. Now what I'm gonna do is go and click, whoops, I just accidentally increased the column number. You can go and then go to create a tile and press tiles. As you can see, you can select which tile you want your top footage to be in. I'll select tile 1, and if you go back into globals and click create background or create tile, you can then go down and under margins and spacing, resize the video to your liking. And I'm just going to remove these margins and turn it to the left here. Edit the horizontal spacing a bit so that it's like that, for example, and the vertical spacing as well so that it is like that. Okay, now that we're done with that, what you can do is right click on your footage here and click copy, and then go click on the second footage, right click that, and then go to paste attributes. From here, make sure the attributes are selected, and once they're checked off, you can click apply, and as you can see now the only top clip is available. Then while this is selected, go into effects 2 so that you can edit the collage here. Click on create a tile, then go to tiles and select tile 2, and as you can see now the second tile is the bottom footage. And now you can also go back to globals and then create or edit the offset again, as you can see, like that. And if I go to the beginning of the video and play it, as you can see now it's playing in a split screen sort of way. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.